அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். வெல்கம் டு அவர் வே டு இன்ஜினியரிங் ட்ராயிங் சேனல். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்கக்கூடிய வீடியோ கண்டென்ட் என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் ஆஃப் ஸ்பெஷல் கர்வ்ஸ். கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் ஆஃப் ஸ்பெஷல் கர்வ்ஸில் ஏற்கனவே சைக்ளாய்டு எபிசைக்ளாய்டெலாம் பார்த்தோம். அதை தொடர்ந்து ஹைப்போசைக்ளாய்ட்ஸ் இன்னும் இருக்குது. அதை தொடர்ந்து இப்போ நாம் இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது வந்து இன்வல்யூட். ஓகே, இன்வல்யூட்டை தொடர்ந்து வந்து பார்த்திங்க அப்படின்னா ஆர்க்கிமிடியன் ஸ்பைரல், ஓகே, ஹெலிக்ஸ் போன்ற கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் ஆஃப் ஸ்பெஷல் கர்வ்ஸ்லாம் நமக்கு இருக்குது. சரிங்களா? ஓகே, இன்வல்யூட்டுக்கான கொஷின் நமக்கு எப்படி கேட்கப்பட்டிருக்கும் என்று பார்த்தங்க அப்படின்னா, ட்ரா த இன்வல்யூட் ஆஃப் எ சர்க்கிள் ஆஃப் 35 mm டயாமீட்டர். இதுதான் இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்கக்கூடிய கொஷின். ஓகே, கிவன் டேட்டாவை நம்ம எழுதியாச்சு. ஓகேவா? ஹவு டு ட்ரா. ஓகே, why we draw this involute? Okay, this is named as உட்சுருள். Okay, in Tamil this having involute have, okay, உட்சுருள் என்று அழைக்கப்படுகிறது. இதனுடைய அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, கியர் டூத் ப்ரொஃபைலை வடிவமைக்க இந்த இன்வல்யூட் பயன்படுத்தப்படுகிறது. அதே சமயம் சென்ட்ரிஃபியூகல் பம்ப், ஓகே, மைய விலக்கு விசை பம்புகளில் இம்பலர்கள் உருவாக்க இந்த இன்வல்யூட் பயன்படுத்தப்படுகிறது. ஓகே, இதை எப்படி வரையலாம் அப்படின்றத பார்த்துடலாம். ஓகே ஓகே the given data is diameter value 35 mm. Okay, already we know diameter 35 mm means we take the radius in our compass. Okay, 35 by 2 mean 17.5. Okay, 17.5 mm. We take the measurement with our compass with the use of our scale. Okay, locate the center point and draw the circle of radius 17.5 mm. Directly we get the diameter is 35 mm. Okay, next we divide the circle as 12 equal parts. Okay, first we divide the circle as 4 equal parts. This is the center. Okay, O. First of all we divide the circle into 4 equal parts and take the radius 17.5 mm. Okay, locate this corner. Okay, draw an arc this side and this side. Okay, at the same time we locate this left side of the line. Okay, draw the arcs. Okay, join these arcs from this arc to this arc via center point. Okay, join this arc from this arc via center, look like this. Okay, next we place the compass the top of this line. Okay, draw the arc this side and this side and put the compass here bottom of the line. Okay, draw the arcs here and here. Okay, join these arcs with the center O. Okay, okay, we got the 12 equal parts. Put the point as this point is 12th point. Okay, we mark the first point here. Okay, anti-clockwisely 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, next we find the formula. Okay, we using the formula pi d. Okay, pi into the diameter value is 35 mm okay, we got the 109.955 m. Okay, pi d formula, pi into diameter value is 35 mm, we got 109.955 mm. Okay, draw a line 109.955 mm from this point. Okay, draw the line, okay, pi d, this to 109. Okay, this is the 100 mm, 105, 109. Okay, put the point as, this point as P, this point as Q. Okay, because the PQ equal to pi d, pi into 35, 109.95 mm, this point to this point PQ having 109.95 mm. Next we divide this also 12 equal parts. Already we know that the proper method to divide the line into equal number of parts means, okay, locate your pro circle, this point, okay, mark the 30° in our protractor, okay, and draw the line from P with 30 mm inclination line. Okay, this line measurement is same 109.95 mm. Okay, this point to 30 mm inclination. Okay, we mark the 109 mm, same as, okay, 109 means this is the 109 mm. Mark this point as Q dash and join the Q and Q dash points. Okay, next we divide this P and Q dash as 12 equal parts. Already we got the 109.9 mm into 12 equal parts, okay, by 12. Okay, we got 9.16 mm. Okay, PQ dash equal to 109.95 mm into 12 equal parts, we got 9.16 mm. Take in our compass, take the measurement as 9.16 mm. Okay, 9.16 mm. Okay, we take. Okay, now we divide the PQ dash into 12 equal parts from here. Okay, 1 equal part, 2 equal part, 3 equal part, 4 equal part, 5 equal part, 6 equal part, 7 equal part, 8 equal part, 9 equal part, 10 equal part, 11 equal part, 12 equal parts. Okay, name the points as this 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash to 12 dash. Okay, set the scale, this inclination line. Okay, we draw the lines. Already we draw the 12 dash to 12th point, this. Okay, 11 dash to, this is the 11th point, this is the 10 dash to 10th point, 9 dash to 9th point, 8 dash to 8th point, 7 dash to 7th point, 6 dash to 6th point, 5 dash to 5th point, 4 dash to 4th point, 3 dash to 3rd point, 2 dash to 2nd point, and 1 dash to 1 point. Okay, put the point as 1 dash mean 1 point, 2 dash mean 2 point to 12 dash to 12 point. Okay, next we draw the perpendicular lines. Okay, this is the first line. Okay, we take the our scale. Okay, this is the first point. This scale got this line as parallel. This is the perpendicular line. Okay, this is the first line. Okay, at the same time this is the second line. We place the scale, the second line as the scale as parallel. Okay, automatically we got the perpendicular line. Okay, next we place the third point. Okay, this is the third point. Place the scale this as parallel, we got the perpendicular line. Okay, same as fourth line. Okay, fifth line, sixth line looks this side, seventh line, eighth line, ninth line. 3 and 9 are same. 3, the direction is up to below. The ninth point is below to upper side. Okay, this is the 10th point. Okay, this is the 11th point. Okay, this parallel and we got the perpendicular line. Looks this like. Okay, okay, name the point as this. 1 mean this is 1 line, this is 2 mean 2 line, this is 3 mean 3 line, to 12 mean 12 line. Okay, for temporarily. Okay, next we take the measurement as from the point P to this first point. Okay, P to first point. Okay, goes to this one point. Okay, draw the arc on the first line. Okay, next we take the from point P to extend the second. Okay, extend the second point. We goes the second line, draw the arc on second line. Okay, same as point P to extend the 3, P to 3. Okay, this follows third line. Okay, this is the third line. We draw the arc on third point. Okay, next from the point P to 4. Okay, take the measurement as P to 4 point. Locate the fourth point. This is the fourth point. Draw the arc on fourth point on the line. Next we locate the point P to 5. Go to fifth point. This is the fifth point line. Draw the arc. From the point P to sixth point line, P to 6, go to sixth point of our circle end. This is. Okay, draw the arc. From point P to 7 dash. Okay, go to 7 point. This is the point. Okay, from point P to 8 point. Okay, this is the 8 point. Okay, go to 8 line. This is the 8 point. From point P to 9. Okay, we measure, extend P to 9. This is the 9th point. Draw the arc. Next, from the point P to 10. Okay, this is the 10th line. Draw the arc. Okay, from the point P to 11, we extend. Okay, P to 11. Okay, go to the 11th point. Draw the arc. Okay, next we measure the from the point P to 12. Okay, this is also from the point to 12. Draw the arc. Okay. Okay, erase unwanted lines. Now we trace the involute curve from point P, this, okay, P2, P1, P1 to P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10 to P11 and the end of the P12 or Q point. Okay. Next we draw the tangent and normal at any point on this involute curve. Okay. Mark the any other point on the involute curve. I mark here. Okay. This point 2, okay, this center point we draw the line. Okay, draw the line this any point on the curve to this center point of the circle. Okay, measure this line. Okay, the measurement is in our scale 86 mm. Okay, 86 by 2 mean 43. Okay, take the 43 mm in our compass. Okay, this is the 43, this is the center of the this line. Okay, draw the semicircle from this point to this center of the circle point. Okay, where they meet the semicircle. Okay, the semicircle meet the where on the circle. Okay, this point intersect the semicircle and the circle. Okay, take this point and draw the line. Okay, this is the normal line. Okay, N1 and N2. Okay, draw the line from normal line to perpendicular line. Okay, this is the tangent line. Okay, T1 and T2. Okay, okay, this is the involute curve, this is the tangent line, this is the normal line. Okay, this is the involute. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like means, okay, share your friends. Any query means comment the questions in our commentary box. Okay, thanks for watching.